We are at Defense Logistic Agency, Disposition Services in Pearl Harbor. We receive property from different units. Our goal here is to give government property another chance to be reutilized, donated, and transferred to other branches. What I enjoy about my job is seeing different types of properties, from little bolts and nuts to aircraft parts to submarine parts. I am a sergeant in the Hawaii Army National Guard, and I've been serving for 12 years now. And I am a 12 Bravo combat engineer. We respond to natural disasters for Hawaii. We was involved in the Maui fire. Our mission there was to work with FEMA and to search and rescue victims and work with the K-9 units. It meant a lot to me because I grew up in Hawaii, so it was my way of giving back